Today I'm going to be making my signature chili con carne. I've got some oil going in the pan. I'm going to start by chopping the onions. Add the chopped onions to a large pan with a little oil and then sweat them down until soft, adding the garlic after a minute. Once the onions have softened, add the minced beef and cook until lightly browned. Add in some nice red wine, bring to the boil and simmer for a couple of minutes. Now we're going to add in a mixture of the stock, Worcestershire sauce and honey. Then chop up a couple of red peppers and add them too. Next in is the tinned tomatoes. Chili for me is not just about the heat, it's about the layers of spices. So into my chili, I've got smoked paprika, got cumin, got ground coriander, I've got some chili powder for that heat, some ground ginger, salt, pepper and some mixed herbs, and they're going in. As well as all those lovely, delicious dried herbs and spices, I like my chili to have a fresh kick, so I'm going to chop up one red chili and throw that in too. Then I'm adding in the tomato puree, ketchup and chipotle paste. We're going to give that a mix, bring it to a gentle simmer, then loosely cover for up to an hour, checking and stirring about every 10 to 15 minutes. So that's been simmering away now for about an hour. Now we're going to put on some rice to boil, and then we're going to add some red kidney beans and some mixed beans into the chili and cook that for a further 20 minutes until the rice is ready. Give everything a stir with the beans in, and then chop up some delicious, fragrant, fresh coriander and throw that into the chili too. One last stir and it's time to serve. So that's my chili con carne, something I've been making for the family for years. I really hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please like and subscribe for more delicious, family-friendly recipes. See you next time.